tú sabes, no pierdas el tiempo. Dale, vente, pégate lento. No, dale, no pierdas el tiempo.
We are now in Tobago Island. Beautiful place. Hold on, we're gonna take a few pictures out here. This is Panama right here.
Where did they pass?
Or maybe it's Tobago. Looks kind of like a safe Panama though. Here's the mangoes you wanted. And look at these huge seashells. Seashells. Coral. That's cool.
Hola.
¿Son argentinos o no?
No.
Ay, parecido el acento.
He's Argentinian probably.
He said we have the Argentinian accent.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I think he was talking to you because I didn't say anything. I think he's definitely Argentinian though. He had the accent for sure.
He has a look.
Yeah.
We can rent these things, look.
Oh yeah, but with Eitan, I'm gonna be the only one, or you, or me, or we take turns. You know. How much is it? You know? Oh, 50?
50.
Wow, 50 for how long?
An hour.
An hour. Damn, that's not bad. I mean, 50. I don't even know if I have any more 50 cash, but I got credit. I wasted most of the money.
Pretty sure they accept card.
It's a nice area. Well, we don't have that much time here. They give us 2 hours to spend on the island. Some nice cool stuff out here in the stores. They got some cool things for Eitan. Some toys for the beach or a pool. Salud for the water. Oh man, I would love to do this right here. You rent out bikes. I don't know. Oh, over here, let's see how much. $30 for 30 minutes? It's not bad. I would do this. Are we gonna have time for this though? Alright, we are here, people. I've seen nicer beaches than this. I think everyone has. It's not sandblast out here, guys, but you know what? It's been fun on the catamaran. It was a lot of fun dancing. We swam in the middle of the ocean there. The sand is so coarse out here, man. It's not smooth at all. It's not comfortable to walk on. Alright guys, so the water is really not that bad. It actually feels pretty warm, yeah. Not bad at all.
Enjoy, Eitan.
Enjoy.
Eitan.
Eitan.
Woo! Say hi.
Yeah, some fun.
Eitan, say hi.
Say hello.
Hi.
Come, play in the water. You got your swimsuit on. Just don't go in.
Can we make this tomorrow too?
You want to do another? She wants to do another trip on this with this catamaran tomorrow. That's funny. You're gonna pay for it? It's $200.
200?
200.
Wow.
100 each.
Oh really?
He's free, of course, but
Oh wow.
yeah. Didn't I tell you?
It's worth it though. I love
Yeah, it was good. So sandblast is gonna cost 120 each, which is way better than this. But it's a 3-hour ride to go there. I believe 2 to 3 hours to go there. 2 hours on land, 1 hour on the speedboat. And this is only 40 minutes. So, you know, and you're sitting on a catamaran. To go to sandblast, you're gonna end up on the speedboat, which is much faster. This is definitely more comfortable and enjoyable. You got dancing and all that. So it just depends what you wanna do. If you wanna see perfectly beautiful, clear blue waters, you go to sandblast. And if you want to do snorkeling, because we don't do snorkeling, there's no snorkeling on this, you know, tour. Look at Eitan, he wants to dive in.
Hi.
Here, Eitan, look, your friend is here.
Oh look, Eitan, a friend.
Ooh, she's pregnant too, look at that. A baby on the way and a baby here. Go play with your friend, go. Teach her how to swim.
Say hi.
He doesn't like it. Hi. Hola.
Congratulations.
Yeah, congratulations.
Felicidades. Gracias. Up.
I got him. Where's mommy? She's coming, she's coming.
Mommy.
back,
Mommy
come
going. Mommy going. Gópale.
No hablo en español, pero se aprendió la canción a la perfección. Con mi patria, con mi nación, ninguna discriminación. Aquí me hace mi ilusión, bañalo por obligación.
You got a floaty though, at least. Who's next? Who's next? Oh. Are you sure?
Sorry, but I got melody on the one.
No? He's tricking us.
Vamos, hágale.
Together.
I'm like belly fly back on
Dale, inténtalo.
Es que está resbaloso ahora, me quiero caer.
Pero no corras, ¿sabes? Párate ahí, de ahí salta. Te puedes caer. Ay, ay, ay.
Ahora que tú solo empiezas, mueve la cabeza, danza su duro, la mano arriba, cintura sola, la media vuelta, danza su duro, no te canses ahora, que tú solo empiezas, mueve la cabeza, danza su duro, para saber una locura, morena, tráigame un lado, que vaya camperado, pero perece para saber una locura, morena, tráigame un lado, que vaya camperado, hoy, 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 es pa' quebrar, vamos a danzar, futuro, hoy, 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 seja moreno, loira, vem balançar, futuro, hoy, hoy.
And we are back, people. Back to port. Going back to our Airbnb. We had a great time. Didn't we have a good time, baby?
I loved it.
So much fun.
Yeah.
And what do we have planned tonight?
Tonight, magic park for the baby.
Magic Park? I thought we were going tomorrow. We'll see. Either tonight or tomorrow. Going to the theme park for the baby. All right, see you there.